Good morning, Year 3. I hope that you got on okay with yesterday's division. Okay, well done for your hard work. Now today we're going to be using partitioning again to help us to divide a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So here's my question, 64 divided by 2. And the first thing I'm going to do, like yesterday, is I'm going to partition the 2-digit number, so break up the 2-digit number into tens and ones. So 64, I know that I've got 6 tens, okay, 60, and I've got 4 ones. Then I'm going to divide the tens by the single digit in the question. So I'm dividing by 2, aren't I? I'm sharing between 2. So 60 divided by 2. To help me to do that, if I don't know it straight away, I can use the fact I do know. 6 divided by 2, which gives me 3. Okay, so 60 divided by 2 is going to be 10 times bigger than 3 because 60 is 10 times bigger than 6. So my answer is going to be 30. Okay, then I'm going to divide the ones, so my 4 ones, by the single digit in the question, so 2, because I'm dividing by 2. And we know that 4 divided by 2 is 2. There are 2 2's in 4. Then, like we were doing last week, we have to add those two numbers together. So 30 add 2 gives us 32. So 64 shared between 2 will be 32. Each person will get 32 each. Okay? Brilliant. Next question, 93 divided by 3. And we're going to do the same again. We are going to partition the 2-digit number into tens and ones. So there's 9 tens in 93, 90, and there's 3 ones. Next, I divide the tens by the single digit. So I'm going to do 90 divided by 3. And again, if I'm not sure of that, if I don't know that fact straight away, I know 9 divided by 3, and that is 3, isn't it? And then I'm going to make the 3 10 times bigger. I'm going to multiply it by 10 to give me 30. Okay? Then I'm going to divide the ones, the 3 ones, by 3, because 3 is the amount that I'm dividing by. And we know 3 divided by 3 is 1. There's 1 3 in 3, isn't there? And then finally, I add my two numbers together, 30 add 1, and we know that's 31. So 93 divided by 3 is 31. Okay? Then we've got 84 divided by 4. And we're going to partition the 2-digit number into tens and ones. So I've got 80 and I've got 4. Okay? What did I do next? That's right, I divide the tens by the single digit. So I'm going to do 80 divided by 4. If I don't know that, I know 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then I can multiply the 2 by 10, because 80 is 10 times bigger than 8. So my answer will be 20. Then I divide the ones, the 4, by the single digit 4. Okay, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, and finally I add the two numbers together, 20 add 1, which gives me 21. So 84 divided by 4 is 21. Okay, now there's going to be some for you to have a go at. So we've got 69 divided by 3. So if we partition 69 into tens and ones, we've got 60 and we've got 9. Okay. I want you now to have a go at doing the next steps and working out the answer to this. So divide the tens by 3 and divide the ones by 3. See what you get. How did you do? So you should have done 60 divided by 3 and got the answer 20 using the fact that 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you know your answer needs to be 10 times bigger. Then you should have done 9 divided by 3, which gives you 3. And then we add them together, 20 add 3 is 23. So 69 divided by 3 is 23. Okay, so there's 23 lots of 3 in 69. Okay, Wonderful. Now, I want you to have a go at this question, 48 divided by 4, all on your own. So pause the video, do your partitioning, and then divide the tens and then divide the ones. Okay, brilliant. How did you do? So you should have partitioned 48 into 40 and 8. Then you should have divided the tens by the single digit 4. So 40 divided by 4 gives you 10. And then you should have divided the ones by 4 to give you 2. Then we add the two answers together, 10 add 2, and that gives us 12. So 48 divided by 4 is 12. Fantastic. Now it's your turn to have a go. So we've got lots of similar questions to the ones that we've been doing. So I want you to use the partitioning method to have a go at answering these questions. Okay? So remember, splitting your number into tens and ones, then dividing the tens by the number you're dividing by, and then dividing the ones by the number you're dividing by. Then we've got 2 deep in it questions today for you to have a go at. And as usual, the answers are on the next few slides. Okay? I hope you get on okay with today's maths, guys. Have fun!